Hi friends, it's another beautiful Saturday afternoon. I've really had a busy day today. Since I've been up since 6 a.m. I've been up since 6 a.m. running up and down, trying to fix things. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Mine was good. The day is still on. This is 2:42. So I've been up and doing. I just came home now to just rest my legs. I've been moving up and down. Went for a meeting this morning, and after which I went to pick up some of my crochet accessories. Yes, they arrived from Lagos. So we'll be unboxing it together later in the day because I'll be going for another meeting. You'll be going for another meeting, yes. So we'll be unboxing my crochet accessories. Can I just show you? Let me show you a glimpse of it. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, all the way from Lagos. Yeah. That's it. I got one from ABC. I got the other from Limot. So we'll be unboxing it later in the day because right now I have to go prepare for another meeting. Yes, I have another meeting to attend, and I don't know when I'll be coming back home. I'm praying that there's lights. Once there's lights, I'll be able to. We will be able to unbox it together. Once there's no light, I'll have to use torchlight, and it won't be that clear. So we'll be unboxing it later in the day. So don't mind me, the way I rushed out this morning, I didn't put on earrings. I just rushed out with cap and I got there like wow, no earrings. Hi friends. So I'm back from the meeting. Yes, hope you all are doing great. So I promised that we're going to unbox my crochet accessories from Lagos. We're going to do it together. So here are they. This is this is from ABC Express. You can see CP collections, and this one is from Libmot. You can see my name there, Cleopatra. So now I'm going to unbox it together. Let's see what we have here. So this is my scissors. This is my scissors. Okay. Oh, I'm trying to open it. So don't mind me. Okay, that's what we have. Okay. Okay. So these are leather how do I put it? These are for bags. So this is the base of the bag. This is for a small bag. So two I got four of it. So I've been able to remove the covering. So I didn't want the video to be long, so it took some time though. So here are my yarn. I have red, I have white, I have green, I have brown, yeah, and I have pink, mint green. Oh, I have yellow, I have brown, and I have my macrame for my bags. Oh, and I have Yeah, still got background for my bags. I've got chains too for my bags. I got nude. I got various colors. Black. I think that's all from wow. It was so nice unboxing them with you. So if you want some crochet wears, crochet hats, berets, crochet bags, feel free to click the link in my bio. And there's also an Instagram page, Instagram link on my bio. You just click it in and see all my designs. So it's been nice opening, unboxing this with you. So I hope to see you in the comment section, placing your order. Until then, I'm still Cleopatra Noble. Stay well, stay out of trouble, and be good.